Hello everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. We are going to analyze today's newspaper, that is 19th May 2020. The newspaper which we are using is the Delhi Noida edition of the Hindu newspaper, and we are going to upload the PDF of the classes on our Telegram channel. Link of our Telegram channel is given in the description box. Name of the channel is Simplifying UPSC with Ease. Telegram ऐप आप इंस्टॉल करेंगे तो उसके सर्च ऑप्शन में आप जाकर सिंप्लीफाइंग यूपीएससी विद ईज टाइप करेंगे, आपको हमारा चैनल मिल जाएगा जिसका लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी दिया हुआ है. लेट्स स्टार्ट विदाउट एनी डिले. Now before starting the newspaper analysis, we have a small announcement over here. You can now subscribe to Unacademy Plus and get simply 10% discount by using referral code Sharma20. अगर आप Sharma20 referral code use करते हैं तो आपको 10% easily discount मिल जाएगा Unacademy Plus पर. Now here's a mock practice question for all of you. What are the recommendations of second ARC on widening the definition of corruption? Explain its basis briefly. Here the term is explain. Explain means you have to clarify the topic by giving a detailed account as to how and why it occurred or what is the particular context. Here you have to explain what is the context. What are the recommendations of second ARC on expanding the definition of corruption. Now in the introduction, in 3 to 4 lines, you have to explain the nuances associated with corruption. What is corruption? Then in the body of the answer, you have to start with what is Prevention of Corruption Act. Then you have to list the offences which are acts of corruption by government servant. You have to explain the second ARC, what are the distinctions which have been made by second ARC, what is collusive corruption, what is coercive corruption. Then it has recommended Prevention of Corruption Act should be amended to fight against collusive corruption. What is that, right? What is burden of proof, that you have to explain. That in the conclusion of the answer you have to conclude with the importance of the recommendations of second ARC, why they are important right now in our society. The first important news for today, there are few news which are very important in today's newspaper. Editorial you have to read yourself. Editorial तो आपको खुद से ही पढ़ना है. कुछ ही important news है आज के newspaper में, कुछ 2-3 important news है जो आपको पढ़नी है. First is Oxford vaccine fails to shield monkeys from virus. Shield means protect. So a high-profile potential vaccine for COVID-19 was tested by researchers at Oxford University. The research has been failed, right? It has failed and it was done on monkeys. So it has failed to protect the vaccinated monkeys from being infected by the virus. The test animals appeared to be protected from pneumonia. तो इस पर्टिकुलर रिसर्च जो ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी में हो रहा है, तो जो वैक्सीन तैयार की गई है उसमें वायरस कोविड-19 से तो प्रोटेक्ट नहीं कर पाया मंकीज को ये वैक्सीन, बट निमोनिया से कर रहा है. द वैक्सीन कैंडिडेट CHADOXL N COVID-19 being tested is a weakened form of common cold virus that affects chimpanzees but has been neutered to prevent replication in humans. Reports of the candidate vaccine's performance in monkeys have prompted researchers to test the vaccine's potency in humans as well. Right now, the research paper is yet to be peer-reviewed. अभी इस पर स्टडी किया जाएगा, इसे peer review नहीं किया गया है और researchers ने इसको review नहीं किया है. It is just in an experimental form right now. It is said that the presence of the virus is in the upper respiratory tract of animals, and it is possible that these can come down again to the lower respiratory tract. Ideally, if one has been inoculated with the vaccine, persons should be able to substantially clear out the virus. The vaccine is among the 8 that are ahead in terms of being tested in humans for efficacy right now. The next important news is Odisha West Bengal brace for Amphan. We all know that according to IMD, storm system in Bay of Bengal, Amphan, has developed into a super cyclone and it is expected to make landfall along the West Bengal Bangladesh coast. So Amphan is expected to bring heavy to extremely heavy rainfall over the Gangetic West Bengal and heavy to very heavy rainfall over the north coastal Odisha. Odisha government has also deployed units of NDRF and the Odisha Disaster Rapid Action Force to north coastal districts for carrying out rescue operation. Now here, what is Amphan? It is the first tropical cyclone of 2020 North Indian Ocean cyclone season. It is the second pre-monsoon cyclone to form in the Bay of Bengal in the 2 years. The first one was Cyclone Fani. This is the second cyclone, that is Amphan. It has been named by Thailand. Thailand ने इसका नाम रखा है Amphan. According to IMD, it will make landfall as a very severe cyclone between Sagar Islands of West Bengal and Hati Islands of Bangladesh. Call for WHO probe into virus origin. So an India-backed draft resolution at 73rd session of WHA, which seeks global investigation into the spread of novel coronavirus, it has received a big boost with African group of nations extending the support of the motion. Development came soon after the assembly convened in Geneva, where the head of the World Health Organization declared that global body will look into the lessons of COVID-19 pandemic. The language of the motion seeks to delve deeper into the origin of the virus. Recommendation is a part of text jointly conceived by Australia and European Union. So these were the most important news for today. Now let's practice the prelims based MCQs. Question number 1. Consider the following statements with respect to Indian Congress, Indian History Congress. It was founded in 1935 and is the largest association of professional historians in South Asia. R.C. Dutt, G.K. Gokhale and E.V. Ramaswamy were the prominent leaders associated with Indian History Congress. Which of the following given above statements is or are correct? कौन सी statements correct हैं? Carefully read the statements and answer. Correct answer is A. That is statement 1 is correct. Statement 2 is wrong. The Bharat Itihas Samshodhaka Mandal was founded by Vishwanath Kashinath Rajwade in 1910 in Pune with support of K.C. Mehendale. Clear? So R.C. Dutt, G.K. Gokhale, E.V. Ramaswamy are not prominent leaders in Indian History Congress. Next question. The mutual delegation of executive power between centre and states cannot occur from centre to state through president, from state to centre through governor, from centre to state through parliament. D is from state to centre through state legislation. Which option is correct? The correct answer to this question is D, from state to centre through state legislature. President may, with the consent of state government, entrust to that government any of the executive function of the centre. Conversely, governor of a state may, with the consent of central government, entrust to that government any of the executive functions of the state. Clear? So this was all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's class. Do not forget to share, like and subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.